Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell for alerts and give me a big thumbs up. So as you can see, I've already started working on this week's spread, and the reason being is I was not going to record at first, but after laying the days of the week down, I decided to go ahead and do a video. I've just become such a fan of doing lives. I just kind of wanted to give myself a break this week from filming, but this one was fairly easy, so keep watching if you want to see how this turns out. So as you can see, I've been using more colorful stickers in the past weeks, and I just want to push myself and challenge myself to be a little more creative when it comes to my color selections. Plus, it'll help me to start using these stickers that I have been hoarding. So if you guys would like to see me do more colorful spreads, drop me a comment below, give me some suggestions. I'd love to see what you guys think. As you can see, this week I decided to write in my categories instead of printing them, and it was because I used regular white paper and I didn't want to cover up these beautiful colors from these stickers that came out of the Colorful Boxes sticker book that was just released. While you're watching me lay these stickers down, I have a question. So I typically don't do a lot of voiceovers during my recordings. I let my music play. So y'all let me know what you think. Do you want me to do some voiceovers throughout the video or just let the music play? Trust me, either way, it's not going to hurt my feelings. Drop that comment below and let me know. do a video of my weekly spread in my teacher planner that I Franken-Plan for business and social media. But as I started laying the top stickers, I felt like this was going to be easy, quick, and fast. I didn't have to worry about doing a lot of editing because I really wanted to just try to use 1 or 2 books tops, in which I was very successful doing. I've really been wanting to use this. Sorry for the glare. This is the Life Organized Productivity Sticker Book by the Paper House Studio, designed by Mommy Lay. And I have done a flip through video of this before. But anyway, I wanted to play with colors. You know, even though we're in the fall season and everything are autumn type colors, I still I'm like, you know, let me just play with some colors, because I am in a box. I don't do a lot of color. So I'm just trying to be more creative, or as the Happy Planner says, live creatively. So just to kind of show you what I used real quick. Again, I use this sticker book. I use my headers, side headers. I use the colorful box stickers. And then I use maybe one, which is a shocker. Yeah, I only use one sticker from the colorful boxes sticker. And then I saw this cute circle, and I remembered that I had these designer labels from Paper House Studios. So I used that for layering technique. I didn't do a lot of layering this week in my teacher planner, which is cool, because the one thing that I always say that I love about being creative, you don't have to keep yourself in a box. A lot of times we keep our own selves in the box. We want to say, you know, people keep us in boxes. Go figure, I have boxes on here anyway. But we keep our own selves in boxes. So just remember, don't be afraid to try something different. At the end of the day, it is just paper and stickers and pens and planners and all of those good things. So if it doesn't look like a masterpiece, don't beat yourself up, because it's uniquely created by you. So remember, anything that you create with your hands is blessed. Don't ever think otherwise. So this is my spread. I didn't do an intro video. That's why I did voiceover this week, because like I said, I wasn't originally going to do a video, but as I started putting the stickers down, I was feeling inspired. And that's the whole purpose of my channel, is to be creative and inspired. Sometimes I have to inspire myself. So if you like this, make sure you give me thumbs up. As well, if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, because I'll be doing something major once I reach 1,000 followers, and you don't want to miss it, subscribers, because it will be announced only here on YouTube, and I don't want anyone to miss it. But again, if this has inspired you, make sure you share this with your friends so they can also be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, Planner fam.